Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will learn how and when to use this or that. Okay, we use this to show a single person, animal, place, or a thing which is near to us. And we use that to show single person, animal, place, or a thing which is far away from us. Now children, let's learn some more this and that examples. Okay, now you can see here, this is a mango. The mango is near to me, so I will use this. Okay, where is it? This. Now see, dash is a tree. The tree is far away from me, so I will write here that. T H A T, that. Now this one is this. This is a cat because the cat is near to me. Okay, now this will be that. T H A T, that, because the girl is far away from me. Okay, now is this, and the last one is that. I hope you all have learned it very well, and don't forget to practice at your home. Thank you.